Hi YouTubers, just a quick video on this Bergen hot stapler. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Basically you have a similar thing to a soldering iron, like this. Got a trigger here, 3 settings, obviously really hot, not so hot, and quite cool. What you do is you place your staple in the end of the gun. So you get 3 selections of various shaped staples. You place your staple in the end of the gun like so. So you put your staple in the end of the gun like so, press the button and it heats up. Oh yeah, you see it smoking. Okay, and what you would do is you would put it in into the plastic like I've done here. There was a crack in this headlight. Press the button, it heats up, so you'd heat it up into the plastic, and then you give it a slight twist and release the trigger, and then pull backwards quite abruptly, and then that leaves the staple sealed inside the piece of plastic like that. So there's 2 that I've done just for the crack really, and then what you're left with these rather large staples that stick out. And watch your eyes on these, so you just take your nips and ping them off. Off he goes. Oh, I hope I didn't go in the toaster. So this Bergen sort of bit of kit is absolutely brilliant. I mean, I've used it on bumpers so far, but it's the first time I've done it on a headlight. This one was pretty smashed up. I have a nice glue gun, as you can see there. I have some broken headlight from a Corsa, so if you need any plastic to do it. So what you end up doing is I ended up putting the little staple in, heating it up, and then you use your soldering iron, just a cheapy one, to then smooth it over, and then that really locks it in then. This headlight was in quite a bad state. It's off a Punto. Was in quite a bad state. She'd lost the lug. She had a whopping great big hole here. But again, it's not structural here. It's just a case of filling in the gap to stop the water coming in. But this one again, I did the same. Used the staples, and because you've got a nice cavity here where it's not going to foul anything, I then fill it with the glue stick gun. Okay, same here on this side. And where else was there? But I mean, look at the state of these headlights. You can't warrant replacing that headlight just because the tabs have come off, and they both come off. So there's the other one there that I've done, but this is the absolutely perfect for the job. I'm really pleased with it. And the best thing about it, unlike the soldering iron, once you've heated up the staple in the end of the gun with the button, you can lay it on the polystyrene and it doesn't melt it. So I think that's one of the best things. Is using it without being able to put it down and just leave it. But yeah, it's brilliant. So yeah, absolutely top piece of kit. Absolute top piece of kit. So I'm just going to put it out there now. Hot stapler plastic repair set. It really is the one to buy. I'm very impressed with it. Comes with a couple of bags of staples. And you can get these staples on eBay, but I did wonder if whether we could use a staple from a normal staple gun, if it was the right diameter, whether or not we could just use the same staples from a staple gun if you've got to do a long staple down a bumper or something. So yeah, just a bit of a write-up on the Bergen 20-watt stapler. Comes with its own little box and everything. So yeah, really good, really impressed with this bit of kit. So if you're looking for a stapler, go for this one. This one cost me just under £100 sterling. So yeah, really good, and it arrived in a couple of days. So very impressed. So if anyone's looking for a Bergen thing, then get one and save spending 40-50 quid on a set of headlights. Plus, you'll save in the environment because you're not having to manufacture new stuff and ship it around the world. So there you go. Thanks guys.